Are you looking for the best Mahjong sets? Top picks for quality, portability, and style. Mahjong is making a serious comeback, and today's players want more than just tradition. They want quality, style, and portability. Whether you're a seasoned player or a beginner, the right Mahjong set can completely elevate your experience. In this guide, we review the best Mahjong sets available on Amazon, evaluating
Product number 1. Yellow Mountain Imports American Mahjong Set, Harbor Tide with beige and blue canvas tote pack. This Mahjong set is a stunning blend of function and design. The Harbor Tide theme offers a coastal-inspired color palette that's calming yet stylish. With 166 engraved white tiles, this set supports American Mahjong play, with jokers and Arabic numerals clearly marked. The beige and blue canvas tote bag is not only charming, but also durable and roomy, ideal for storage and transport. It includes 4 racks with pushers and a full instruction booklet for beginners. The attention to detail is evident in the tile engravings and the quality feel of each piece. If you're looking for a gift-worthy set that brings sophistication and utility, this is a top-tier option.
Product number 2. Yellow Mountain Imports American Mahjong Set, Indigo Tides, Blue Soft Case, 4 all-in-one racks. The Indigo Tides Mahjong set from Yellow Mountain Imports is both modern and convenient. The included blue soft case is compact yet surprisingly spacious, and it holds everything neatly. The all-in-one pushers and racks are cleverly designed for smooth gameplay and quick setup. The tiles are well made, featuring vibrant engravings that are easy to read. This set includes 166 tiles, including jokers and score sticks, making it fully compatible with American Mahjong rules. The unique indigo tones are eye-catching and elevate your game's aesthetic. It's ideal for players who want a blend of portability and style without compromising quality.
Product number 3. American Mahjong Set with Blue Carrying Bag. 166 white tiles, 4 all-in-one rack/pushers. This American Mahjong set is a practical choice with excellent value. The 166 white tiles are crisply printed and feel satisfying to handle. The blue carrying bag is minimalistic and functional, lightweight with a good zipper and comfortable handles. It includes 4 color-coded racks with built-in pushers, streamlining gameplay and reducing setup time. What stands out here is the affordable price tag without sacrificing essentials. It's not overly ornate, but it does the job well, making it great for regular game nights. If you want something that balances cost, quality, and usability, this set delivers solid performance.
Product number 4. American Mahjong Tile Set, 166 quality white tiles, 4 all-in-one color rack and pushers. This set skips the case but delivers high-quality gameplay essentials. With 166 premium white tiles, it supports American rules, and the colorful all-in-one rack and pushers enhance the visual appeal and ease of play. The engraving on the tiles is precise, with clean markings and bright colors that stand out on any tabletop. It doesn't come with a carrying case, so it's ideal for home use or if you already have a storage solution. What it lacks in accessories, it makes up for in build quality and functional elegance. Best for home players with existing storage or setup.
Product number 5. American Mahjong Tile Set, 166 premium white tiles, 4 all-in-one color racks with pushers. Mahjong game set with large capacity. This deluxe Mahjong set is all about capacity and quality. You get 166 beautifully crafted white tiles, along with 4 vibrant all-in-one racks or pushers that glide effortlessly across the table. The large capacity design ensures that everything fits with room to spare. While it doesn't come with a soft case, it offers solid protection and is easy to organize. It's perfect for group games and frequent players who want quick access and organized components. This set feels professional and durable, suitable for both casual and competitive play.